Hello everyone. Welcome back to Filipina Simple Life in America. And today's video is I'm going to harvest some of my broccoli. This is my uh, third time or third batch of harvesting broccoli. So, so look, it's beautiful. Really, it's kind of uh, cloudy today. Still cold. So there's two head of broccoli. In this side, that's the last broccoli that uh, I'm going to harvest. And this one, look at this. I have the little one. I'm going to get them too. All right. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends and family. And look at this, guys. Uh, this plant here, I harvested like a couple days ago, and they keep producing the little uh, broccoli. So it's the same last year. That's why I didn't pull them, because they keep producing the little broccoli. But pretty soon I'm gonna pull them, because I'm going to plant some spring uh, plants. This is the cauliflower, and I didn't see any cauliflower yet. So hopefully, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have the cauliflower right here, and I'm gonna harvest it now. So look at this. So I have a cauliflower, only one, guys. Hopefully this cauliflower right here is gonna give me cauliflower soon. Last year it did that. It's the same, so I don't worry about it. If the God bless me with cauliflower, then yeah, I would love to. I listen the leaves, guys. I mean, if you listen the leaves, most of the nutrient for the plants is goes to the fruits or the buds. You can share my video to your friends and family, and leave a comment below, guys. I love reading comments. So ayan, so let's go over here. I still have the zucchini. We'll check if we have zucchini over here. So I get zucchini, guys. I got it in this side of the garden, because I put the sunscreen. So the broccoli that I plant here didn't grow that big like in the other side, because I know the broccoli they need a full sun. But in this area, since that I have the sunscreen, they didn't get a full sun, so I can't uh, do anything about it right now. So but anyway, there is a little broccoli that grows. A little broccoli that grows. I'm going to harvest them uh, because it's time. It's really time to harvest them. So uh, they give me, but it's not big like the other side. Yeah, next project is to clean up this one, because I already plant some of the seeds over here. I plant a lupa, gourd in this side. And then I have some string beans that I already planted in this area, but um, before the bloom or the sprout, I need to clean up all this, the dead, the crispy, crispy leaves that have, I mean, the frost when it's so very very cold. So I show you guys more of my plant. This is the like little carrots. Ayan. So look at that. This is a garlic, my bok choy, crisp lettuce, but I don't know if it gonna develop because it's kind of late. And my cabbage, and this is what I'm talking about, the little uh, broccoli. That's what I'm talking about. And this is kale, my kale, and also my celery. I already harvested some of my celery last week. I made a soup. And this is the lupa. I'm hoping that it's gonna give me seeds. So I hope. So that's the update, guys. Let's go to the other side. So that's my garlic and my garlic. And I clean up some of my eggplant here. I already trimmed them. And that one, I'm going to plant a new eggplant there. And my Anaheim. See, there's a little buds there. Very good. And my cabbage, it's starting. They're starting like a little formation. And here's the other one. Yes. My beautiful flowers there. So guys, I made this little square planters, whatever you call. I'm going to put the soil. There's manure, guys. I like the manure because it looks really composed. So that's why I like it. Very natural. I'm going to plant the bought this at Home Depot. Disclaimer, I don't promote this. I just want to share what because this is the first time I see that they have this in at Home Depot. So I thought that I'm gonna try. So hopefully, I don't know if it's gonna grow. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy this video today. Um, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much to all my kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at sana po mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Pilipinas Simple Life in America, that's the name of my channel. Thank you so much. So please subscribe po. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless. Bye-bye.